We're going to be stuck in the clouds, it looks like, for yet another day as we get into our Tuesday. Temperatures, though, going to do a little better job at warming up later on today. Back into those mid to upper 50s. It's going to kind of depend on where some of this rain starts falling, and a lot of it looks like it's going to be aiming at some of our southern counties. Let us look at future track. There's those clouds stuck around mid-Missouri as we get all the way through our Tuesday, but most of this rain, at least until about 6 o'clock, is going to be staying just to the south of us, right along that I-44 corridor, and that's about where a lot of this is going to stay as we get into this afternoon, but still going to be looking at those spotty sprinkles, maybe a little bit of drizzle here and there as we go throughout our Tuesday. So you want to grab the umbrella just to be on the safe side. Getting into Wednesday, keeping those rain chances around, but again, fairly sporadic, nothing really to write home about, and it looks like that target's actually shifting off toward the north. That's because a warm front's going to be moving that direction as we get into these next couple of days, and we'll certainly feel it by Thursday. Temperatures topping out in the low to mid 80s as we get into Thursday. A little cooler, though, as we get into Friday. A little below average here. But when we come crashing down like that, again, oftentimes we're tracking some storm chances, and Friday looks to be no exception. Friday morning is what we're thinking in terms of that timing as of right now. That should move out of here by the afternoon and evening hours and leave us dry to close out that work week. Saturday, though, kicking off the weekend, still going to keep that dry weather around, but it's going to be on the cool side. 52 degrees for an afternoon high, not a whole lot warmer as we get into Sunday, and that may be a sign of things to come going forward. On the other side of this ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, again, a bullseye of some of that cold air just to our north and west. And that may be setting the stage as we get into about the middle of next week to get things a little bit interesting around mid-Missouri. Temperature's going to be in the low 50s on Monday, though, and maybe tracking another system that may unlock some of that cool air as we get into the middle of next week. That'll certainly make things a little more interesting here as we get into next work week.